Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to shift to old view in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and then you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar, and then here you have to just simply go to the first website from here, and from here you have to just choose the start now or the sign in button according to your preferences. And then what you need to do is it will simply take you to the dashboard like this. Here you can see the overview button. Here we'll get lots of options. So from here you have to just simply click on the appearance button, and once you click on the appearance button, here you will get the option of large, medium, small, extra small. And for say in previous you were just in the small icon, just simply click on the small and it will just simply shift it to the appearance to small. And if you'd like to go to the medium again, it is also possible to click on the medium, then the line spacing will get to the medium, and also the display spacing can be to large as well. Just simply click on it. So that's how you can just shift to the old version in Google Ads. It is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.